Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am HS Raj and you are watching Code Bricks. In this video, I am going to solve the IPA 35 mark question which was asked in the previous year IPA exam. So let's begin with it. So in this question, we are going to discuss a new topic that creates a class medicine. Okay, so this is the new task that we are going to solve it today. So these are the attributes, these four are the attributes. So they are medicine name, batch, disease, price. Okay, disease, price. Okay, so then we are also create a solution the static method. So so this is the first task, get price by disease. Okay, so this is the first task that we are going to solve. So what this task is all about, let me explain it. So these are the attributes, so let me separate it into a new folder. Okay, 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 so here it is. Okay, so these four are the arrays. Okay, so these four are the array which is of the length 4. Okay, so first one is medicine name, batch, disease, price. First one is medicine name, batch, disease, price. Okay, so we are asked to find the what is the question all about means uh, if it is equal to this fever, this is a user given input. Okay, so this fever, it is a user given input. Okay, so we want to check whether this contains fever or this contains fever or this contains fever or this contains fever. We want to check in this four. Okay, so let me check the first one in the disease section. It contains fever. Here it contains fever, so I am going to separate it into a new folder, new thing. Okay, so when coming to the second one, you can able to see that it does not contains fever, it contains body pain. Okay, so it does not contains fever. So third one, it contains fever. See, it contains fever, so I am going to separate it. Okay, so then in the fourth one, it does not contains fever, it contains flu, so it is not equal to fever. Okay, so these are the things which contains fever. Okay, okay, so we are asked to find the. Okay, so we are asked to sort the in the form of an ascending order. Okay, sort the price. Okay, we are asked to sort the price only in the form of an ascending order. Okay, so we after sorting it, we will be getting a value as 100 and 200. Okay, so let me put it 100 and 200. After sorting the last one is price. Okay, last one is price. After sorting the price, we will be getting 100 and 200. So here I will be applying a new logic like. So what I am going to apply is, so I will be taking this four as a single array, and I will be putting into an array, and I will be its length will be 4. Okay, then I will be creating a new array with the length as 0. Okay, with the length 0. Okay, I will be creating a new array with the length 0, and then if this condition is satisfied for the user given, I will be transferring it into a new array. Okay, I will be checking all of this whether it contains or not. Okay, these two only contains, right? So I will be checking it, and then my length will be becoming at 2. Okay, then I will be sorting the new array. Okay, then I will be sorting the new array. After sorting the new array, I will be fetching these values. Okay, so I will be I think that nobody understood it, so I will be clearly explaining it into you in the coding section. Okay, so don't worry, I will be explaining it in the coding section. Okay, so guys, finally I am entering into the coding session. So in this coding session, I think that everybody understood the code that everybody understood the question that I have discussed in previous explanation session. So I think that everybody understood it. So if you don't understood it, don't worry guys, I will be explaining it in again in the coding session, so don't worry about it. So let us begin the coding. So I am going to create a new class, new file name called pp.java. Okay, so I created a new file name called pp.java. I have created a class called pp. Okay, so then I am going to initialize a main method, and then I am going to put scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, then I am going to import. Okay, import java.util.star.
So it is very important, guys. Please don't write java.util.scanner, java.util.arrays like that. Use import java.util.star. This means asterisk. Okay, so it will be importing all the packages which are present in the util package. Okay, so I wrote import java.util.star, and then after that I am going to create a subclass called medicine. I created a subclass called medicine. Okay, then I am going to initialize these four attributes in the form of a private access specifier. So I am going to put private string medicine name medicine name medicine name. Okay, then private string batch. Okay, then after that private string disease. Okay, so then after that private int price. Okay, okay, so then after that I'm going to create a getter setter methods. For this I am only using getter methods only. Okay, I am not in the use of setter methods. So it's very advised in your IP exam dot, please don't create this setter method unnecessarily, because it will be wasting your time unnecessarily. So only create the getter methods only. Okay, so I am going to create getter methods, public string get medicine name, then return medicine name. Okay, then semicolon, public string get batch, then return batch, then after that public string get disease. Okay, get disease. Private string get disease, return disease. Okay, then public public string get disease. Okay, public int get price, return price. Okay, so I have created the getter method. Okay, no setter method, only getter method. Okay, so I have created a getter method for these four. Okay, so then I am going to create a constructor. For creating the constructor I will be pointing here, clicking on this bulb button. Here it is written as generate constructors, and then I will be make a tick mark on all of these four, and then press on OK. So then my constructor has been created. Okay, see, this is the constructor. Okay, so then after the up to this I think that everybody understood, right? It's very easy. We have put access specifier like private for and declare all these four. Okay, and declare all these four variables, and then after that we created a constructor, and after that we created a getter setter method for so these only. Okay, and then after that medicine, we are going to create an object, array of object. Okay, for that medicine equals new medicine of 4. So the reason why I put 4 is the length is 4. Okay, see, the total length is 4, right? So the total length is 4, so I put 4 here. Okay, so okay, after that 4 int I equal to 0, I less than medicine dot length I plus plus. Okay, sorry, I plus plus. Okay, after okay, only okay, after that string medicine name is equals to sc dot next line. I am going to buy the input from the user. Okay, I am going to buy these four input from the user. Okay, so string medicine name equal to sc dot next line, string batch equals sc dot next line, string disease equals sc dot next line, int price equal sc dot next int. Oh, sorry. Okay, so then after that, medicine of I equals new medicine, medicine, okay, medicine of medicine name batch disease price. So this is my constructor. Okay, so this constructor. Okay, so why I put this, because I am going to buy the input as a loop. Okay, so then semicolon. After that, I am going to buy the input, called this I am going to buy the input, this fever, I am going to buy the input of, okay. So for this I will be writing as string disease equals sc dot next line. Oh, 1 minute. And then I will be creating a new method, public static data type as this class name. Okay. Oh, okay, class name, and then I will be putting the name as getPriceByDisease. So this is my name of my method. Okay, getPriceByDisease, and then inside that I will be passing the arguments as medicine and string disease. Okay, then inside that I will be creating a new array. Okay, I will be creating a new array with the length 0 equals new medicines of 0. Okay, so I will be creating a new array of the length 0. Okay, after that I will be putting a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than medicine dot length and I plus plus, and inside that I will be putting an if condition like if medicine of I dot get disease dot equals ignore case of disease. Okay, 1 minute. Dot equals ignore case of disease. Okay, so then if this condition is satisfied, then I will be putting as medicines equals arrays dot copy of medicines comma medicines dot length plus 1, and then medicines of medicines dot length minus 1 equals medicine of I. Okay, so what I do means I have created a new array of length 0, and then I have put a condition. Okay, and if this condition is satisfied, this condition is it equals ignore case means it is my case insensitive. That means it will not bother about the case, but it will not bother about what case. That means if you put fever in the form of fever first letter capital or small letter, it does not bother. Okay, it will be accepting it. Okay, so then medicine of 0 dot get disease, medicine of 0 dot get disease is this fever, right? It will be checking with this one if it contains or not. So this one contains, and then this the first one will be stored in this one. Okay, this array, and then my length will be becoming as 1. Okay, then after that third one, this will be checked, but this the condition is not satisfied. Then the array will be incremented to 3, and then this is containing it, this contains fever, and then this will be put into this array medicine array, and my length will be becoming as 2. Okay, then it will be checking the fourth one. It is not containing fever, it is containing flu, so it will be not accepted, and then my length will be 2. Total length will be 2. Okay, this array length will be 2. Okay, so then after that I will be sorting it in the form of a selection sort. I will be sorting the last one, price. Okay, so for that I will be putting for int I equal to 0, I less than medicines dot length. Okay, medicines dot length. This is my new array, right? I am going to sort the new array. Okay, medicines dot length medicine for in j equals I plus 1, j less than uh, medicine medicines dot length and j plus plus. Okay, so here don't forget to put medicines dot length minus 1. Okay, medicines dot length minus 1, and then medicine temp equals medicine of I. Sorry, I forgot to put the condition. Okay, 1 minute. If medicines of I dot get disease, get price, because we are going to sort the price, right? So we are going to sort the price. Medicines of I dot get price is greater than medicine of j dot get price. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then medicine temp equals medicine of I. Okay, so we are simply swapping it. If this condition is satisfied, then we are simply swapping it. So I think that everybody understood. Everybody studied this concept in the selection sort. Okay, so this is that concept only, selection sort. Okay, medicines of j equals temp. Okay, so I simply swapping it, and then after swapping it, I will be putting if medicines dot length greater than 0, then return medicines. Okay, medicines. Okay, then else if it does not return anything, that means the fever condition is not satisfied. It will be written as null. Okay, so I will be putting here, I will be calling here medicine new medicines equals get price by disease. So I will be calling the method here. Okay, and then after that, if new medicines not equal to null, and then I will be putting a condition like for int I equal to 0. We are going to print in the form of a loop, right? So we are going to print in the form of a loop, right? We are going to return two conditions, 100 and 200, right? So two numbers we are going to return. So I will be putting, so these two objects are stored here. These two objects are stored here in this new medicines. Okay, after sorting it, these two attributes are stored in this particular new medicine. Okay, so new medicine dot length I plus plus, and then system dot out dot println. Okay, 1 minute. System dot out dot println new medicines of I dot get price. Okay, so why I put price? Because it is asked only to print the price only. This 100 and 200, this 100 and 200 is a price. Okay, so I put price here, and then if it does not return anything, that means here it is given in the question. Okay, where it is okay, it's not given in the question, so you can be able to write it's on your own. If it is given in the IPA exam, it is actually given in the question, but in this question it is not given. So nothing, I will be printing nothing medicine is present, like medicine is present. Otherwise no medicine is present. Okay, so like this. Okay, so I think that everybody understood it. Let me explain it to you once again. What I do, actually, these four attributes, right? These four attributes. First one stands for medicine name, batch, disease, price. Medicine name, batch, disease, price. Okay, so we are the user is given and disease as a input. Okay, so user gives an disease as an input, and we are going to check whether this one contains the disease as fever or not. Fever is the input, so this one contains the input as fever, so we separate it here. Okay, so this one contains the fever as input as fever or not. This one contains the input as body pain, so this is not true. And this one contains some input as fever or not. This one does not contains fever, so this one contains fever, so we take here as separate. Okay, so fourth one, this one contains fever or not? This one does not contains fever, this contains flu. Okay, this does not contains fever. Okay, so we are going to transfer this into a new array. New array means this one, medicines of length 0. Okay, so after transferring it, my length will be becoming as 2. Okay, my length will be becoming as 2. Okay, then we are asked to sort the last one is price, so we are asked to sort the price. So after sorting the price, we will be getting the value as 100 and 200. So we will be getting the value as 100 and 200. So our output is to print the price in the form of an ascending order. So we print the price in the form of an ascending order by performing this selection sort. So after that, we will be putting if medicines dot length is 2, right? If 2 is greater than 0, then return medicines. Okay, so then it will be called here, and then it will be stored in this new medicines. Okay, this array, we put this box bracket means it is stored in the form of an array. Okay, so it will be stored here, and then I will be checking whether this new medicines is not equal to null. If new medicines is not equal to null means for int I equal to 0, I less than new medicines dot length medicine of 0 dot get price. Okay, new medicines of 0 dot get price is this one. New medicine of 0 dot get price is first one, this 100. Okay, then after that the condition is the I is incremented, and then I becomes 1, and then 1 less than 2. New medicines dot length is 2, right? 1 less than 2, and then new medicines of 1 dot get price. New medicines of 1 dot get price is 200. Okay, so then we will be getting the value as 100 and 200. If no condition is satisfied, then system dot out dot println no medicines present. Okay, so this question is very simple, so do practice it. So let me check the output whether it is right or not. Okay,
So guys, there is a small mistake in this particular code, guys. Actually, what is a small mistake means, actually I am thinking of saying you at the last time. Actually, what is the mistake means, uh, here int price is equal to sc dot next thing. So when you near to this you want to write a small line, so when you don't write a particular small line, the compilation will be properly done, but the runtime will be showing as error. Okay, so the runtime will be showing the error like input mismatch exception error. So near to this int sc dot next int, you want to write it as sc dot next line. Okay, so sc dot next line. So when you don't write this particular line, so the whole program will got error. Okay, so this up to where, so you have write approximately 105 lines. Okay, so this 105 lines you write will be error due to this particular line. So you will be losing mark mainly due to this, you don't write this. So actually for integer boolean and double, so you want to write this sc dot next line. Okay, don't forget to write this sc dot next line. And for integer, for string it is not required. Okay, for string it is not required, it is left it as it. Okay, so you for integer boolean and for double. Okay, so remember this in the examination. Okay guys, so let me move into the output section. Okay, so guys, finally I am entering into the output section. So in this output section I will be using the terminal as my output. So I will be showing the output, so I will be compiling it. So I am going to compile it using java c pp.java. Okay, then so pp means my file name. Okay, pp.java file name dot java open it pp. Okay, so then I am going to paste my attributes. So these are my attributes, so sorry, these are my attributes, and this is the input which is given by the user. Okay, so when I going to press the enter, the output will be 100 200. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here 100 200, this is my output. Okay, so let me move into the next test case, another test case. Okay, So here I will be, instead of this fever I will be putting flu. Okay, so instead of fever I will be putting flu. So when I put flu, the 250 will be printing. So because the 250, the flu will be having 250 as the price. Okay, so I will be, so here the output is printed as 250. Okay, so guys, it's done guys. So finally we got the output. So guys, I'm keep on saying that do practice daily and daily. Don't practice with the existing problem, do practice with the new and new problems, so that you can be able to face new problems very easier, and you can be able to crack the problems very easier, because many people are losing marks in this particular question, because you don't think that it is very much easy. It is you can be able to solve very quicker. The code size is very large, and but the code logic is very easy. The code logic can be able to solve it by small people can be also able to solve. So do practice, so practice, so through practicing it, so that you can be able to gain more and more harder. So do practice guys. So we'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, thank you, bye bye, see you.